how I'm cooking in Texas during 2021 winter time in Texas, my outdoor kitchen. I'm going to show you a few things before we get to the tarp. As you can see here, these little roofing nails, I use those, and it's Papa Texas Papa's Kitchen. We do outdoor cooking shows over here. We got the Z grills over here, and then we got the Blackstone over there. But what I really want to show you, okay, so we're doing a tarp system this year. I bring my heater out here. That's the heater you normally see at outdoor restaurants, or at least around this way. So I got that going on. Let's see if we come back here. I just got this going on for right now. I switch out my grills for what I'm using over in this area. I can prep on this table. I can bring in one of my other tables. Got my Texas flag. Got my Uncle Steve shake flag. Got me a little shelter from those people. They see my lights. Oh, see, I got a trouble light up here, or a work light. I put that in this year. That was really cool. There's a little gap at the top of this tarp. But that's what we have. It's blowing wind right here. It's 50 degrees, not bad, but I mean, it's blowing. And so this, for one, is going to keep the snow out, and it'll keep any kind of wind out and help me, because I do cook out here all year long. And another thing, when I built this 40 by 12 on this side, I left that gap, and the rain and the air was just coming through there. So I took an old pool that we had. There's a new one. I took an old pool that we had, and there's an old dartboard. We used to play darts out here and listen to the radio. So I stretched it out, and that kept it from the water and the wind, air coming in there. But what I found out when I got up there to put that up, I finds out it's full of leaves. I've been having a problem over here, so I got to take it all apart. Someday I'll put flashing up there and more wood. It's just not there yet. Yeah, oh, there's that other trouble light. I need to get that sucker. Alright, y'all, that's what I have for you this Sunday. Y'all have a fantastic rest of the day, rest of the weekend, rest of the week. We got 2022 coming up, folks. How fast was that? That was awful fast. Y'all have a blessed Christmas next week. Not sure how much I'm posting. We'll get back into it. We will. Had some surgery stuff today. I'm doing better. It's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Outdoor cooking with Papa Texas. Subscribe if you want to see more. At least leave me a thumbs up if you love Texas, or if you love Papa Texas. Whatever. It don't matter. It's Papa Texas. See ya.